Hello and welcome aboard the Nexus. We are doing issue 9 and we're doing stage 32 in this one. So there's going to be a lot to get done in this issue, and we're going to be testing our PCB board. It's the first one we've got for the saucer section, so there's quite a bit to do in this one. So let's get going. Okay, so we're doing stage 31 in this issue. The first bit we're going to do is we're going to take the next section here and we're going to place this just like so. I'm going to put that aside. Next we're going to get our PCB board. Get that out and be careful when handling this. We're going to first grab this wire that we've got in this issue, and with the board facing us like this, we're going to fit this one into there like that. Okay, so the next thing we need is our saucer section as it is built at the moment. So I'm just going to make room here to build it. We do need FM screws to attach the board in. So let me bring over the saucer section now. Okay, so here's the bottom half of the saucer section. We have got an enormous amount of wires here, so we need to pull these out the way, making sure we're not snagging any of them, and hopefully they will be a little bit neater today. So we need to push this all out the way, because our PCB board is going to be placed just here. Just like that. So what we're looking for are these mounting points. One there, we have one there, one there, and one there. I'm going to use FM screws to secure this in place, making sure we're not snagged any of the wires. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now the board is in, we now need to grab all of our circuit wires from the front here. So it's 7 in total. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There is 8 here as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to count along 1, 2, 3, and we're going to start plugging them in from this one here. So there we go, there's one. We're just going to go along now, plug in all these wires in. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so we've got the first 7, actually that should come out of this one. We're going to put this one in here. So now what we need to do, we've got those 3, we've got the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all from this side. We're going to take our cable ties and tidy all of this up by putting them in the cable ties. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so that's a little bit like this. Then we're going to grab the front 3 along here, and we're going to put them just underneath 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to grab the next 2 along, and they're going to go in just in here. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so we've done that, just in them 2. Right, we should now have 2 from over here, 1 here, 1 here. So we're just going to plug them in like so. They're going to go in like so. Then we have got some extra, these little wires. So we've got one here, and this one is going to go into this hole here. Should be another one as well just here. That one is also going to go in like so. Okay, so the next couple of wires that we've got here this one as well. Got one in there, one there. I'm going to plug this one in as well, just here. And all the other wires that we've got here, like these ones here, are going to be plugged in just here. One in there. One in there, and this one. One in there. So now we should be left with these two upper ones. Oh, hang on. Got one more. It's going to go in here. So now what we've got to do is put some cable ties on here. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now we've put all the wires in and we've left some out here. We're now going to test our lights. So we need the battery pack and we need to put it in this bottom one here. So what we're going to do, stick it in there. Look at that, we have light and it's all working brilliant. So if I turn this over like so, I can now see, except for this panel here is not lit, but the rest of this is all lit. Yeah, all nice here. Look at that. It's yeah, it's, hang on, let me turn off the light in here. Look at that. Now I'm going to find out why this panel's not working. Probably because I've missed putting a one of them in, but it's all lit up. So what I'm going to do is try and chase what that is. Okay, then. So yes, I've missed out this wire here. So this wire does go in as well. So if I put this in. Now if I flip it over, being careful with the power pack, and there we go. Obviously it doesn't look pretty from the other side, but this side absolutely, hang on a second, I'm going to make it even darker in here. Look at that. I am so in awe. Look at that, that's really good. Now obviously these panels will click together and will push together, and a lot of these gaps will disappear, but it is looking good, I tell you that. Look at that, that is looking absolutely lovely, that. So that brings the end to stage 31. So that brings the end of stage 31. Obviously, thank you guys so much for following me. You can check out Fanhome, get yourself started on your own enterprise build. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.